The 2015 Acura RDX. Viewed as Acura's answer to BMW's sporty X3, the RDX offers stylish interior, plenty of sport, and a nice amount of utility. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power driver's seat, power passenger seat, power liftgate, keyless entry, traction control, navigation system, moonroof, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, cruise control, anti-theft security system, climate control, center armrest, power door locks, fog lights, clock, power windows, security system. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.